Hi, I'm Kaylee Baker, and this is my presentation on comparing plant and animal cells. Plant and animal cell components. There are 4 components found in both plant and animal cells, which are the nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. Here's a photo showing that the mitochondria is in both the cell membrane, the nucleus, and the other components that are found in both of them. Components found in plant cells but not animal cells. Plant cells have a cell wall, chloroplast and other plastids, and a large central vacuole, which are not found within animal cells. The cell wall is a rigid covering that protects the cell, provides structural support, and gives shape to the cell. Here's a picture of a plant cell structure, and here's the outside, which protects and provides structural support. And then there is the chloroplast and other components found inside the plant cell structure. Components found in animal cells but not plant cells. Animal cells each have centrosome and lysosome, and plant cells do not. Here is the animal cell structure. And there is the centrosome, which is not found in the plant cell. And there is also the lysosome, which is also not found in the plant structure. Plant cell versus animal cell. Plant cells have a cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and often have chloroplast containing chlorophyll. They also have plant prominent, one or more vacuole, and often a regular shape. Animal cells have no chloroplasts, have only small vacuoles, often irregular in shape, and do not contain plastids, have a complex and protein Golgi and apparatus, cytoplasm that fills almost the entire cell. And here are my references on my presentation. And that's the end of it, and that's my presentation on animal and plant cells.